Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and welcome to the Means Woodshop Halloween video. In this video we'll be making these Halloween themed candle holders. We got a bat, a witch hat, a coffin, a skull, a pumpkin, a gravestone, a haunted house, and a ghost. Without further ado, let's check it out. Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop. Aromatic red cedar, very fancy, bedroom stand. Means Woodshop cheer. For your dead burn eye protection. So I gotta apologize because it is raining pretty bad, so I don't know how much talking I'm gonna do in this video. I had to work late, but I need to get this Halloween video out, so I'm dedicated. I'm here, it's after 7 o'clock at night. If things couldn't get any worse, the shop is on my dad's property, and it's kind of spooky at nighttime, but not only that, it's so close to Halloween, and Halloween's on a work day. Everybody's planning their Halloween parties on the weekend. So everybody here is gone, and I'm up here by myself. There's nothing but woods behind the shop. But my dad said that recently they think they saw some people that are moving closer to the property. So I'm going to try not to think about that and make this project. I've got all these different scraps of different kinds of wood, and I'm going to use that to make this project. And right now I've got my table saw fence set up to where I can cut the base for all of these. This one's going to be an old coffin. Candles for the base need a little lip to sit in, so I've got force a bit. I'm just going to start drilling holes. So I actually broke the belt from my drill press. Purple Heart smells bad, but when I was doing the Paduke smells terrible. It smells absolutely awful. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a bitter, really raunchy smell. Definitely spooky here at times. I don't know if it's getting paranoid because my dad said that they saw people out here lately, but I swear I keep catching a glimpse of somebody out there. Every time I look though, there's nobody there. I don't see anything out there, but it's probably just me being paranoid. So most of these are going to be just glued together, but I think on the haunted house and the coffin, I'm going to do gals. Those nails could still split the wood, so we are going to start pre-drilling holes on that shit. I have too much stuff in the shop. I can't find anything whenever I drop it. Alright, so I made a dumb mistake. I was working on the house. I was going to scroll saw out the windows, but I attached the base, and the base keeps hitting the scroll saw, so that's not going to work. And I've got to wait on glue to dry, and it's late. As much as I want to get this project done, I think it'd probably be best if I come back tomorrow. Oh, what the hell? Oh, my head. I'm never drinking in the shop again. The good news is, it's now the next day. All this glue should be dry, so I should be able to move on with my project. So right now I've broken out my Dremel tool, and I'm really not very good with it. I'm using that to carve some details on these. Now I can put spray lacquer on all of them. Alright, here are the candle holders. They're all pretty neat. I'm really happy with all of them. Kind of like this project, if you saw the video for this, you could theme these for any holiday. You could have like snowmen and Christmas trees for Christmas time. If you liked this video and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure and subscribe to Means Woodshop. I have new woodworking videos every Friday, and you can click the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And most of them are not spooky. This one is spooky. I will see you next time.